Hi, I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country, helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. I'm a first grade teacher, and behaviors are worse than they've ever been. I hear the same thing from colleagues in other schools. Obviously, there's a lot going on, but what can I do? The best answer I can give you is being able to lean into the audience. It's something that we're all really struggling with. I think we're looking back and saying, well, in my day or 10 years ago or 5 years ago or even 3 years ago, you wouldn't have seen this, or, oh my gosh, I never would have done that in school. And that's where we keep getting hung up. There's been a lot of global change, a lot of changes that have happened in the last few years, especially. And so if you're able to just move forward and be able to, I don't know, maybe an episode or chapter of holes, go out in the back, kind of dig a little hole, like bury the past, and just say, okay, this is my new audience. I have found that when I lean into the audience, I'm actually able to come up with some more ideas. When I get stuck with kind of grieving, the way it used to be, it makes it harder. So this is who we are. Let's get a little bit maybe excited. I know that sounds crazy to get excited about behavior that's driving us all crazy, but if we get excited about it, we probably will come up with some ideas without kind of blocking ourselves in the past. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.